It's a #1 Shipmate Goofy.
Yes,
I love
have
it.
the hands. Yeah, I have all the extra hands today. Swab the deck, right?
So what did you do on Castaway today, Goofy? Were you looking for treasure? Were you eating? Sailboating? What did you do?
Eating.
Everything?
A lot of cooking and a lot of eating.
Yeah,
Cooking?
all the eating.
Okay.
Yeah, that was me too. Don't worry. I had all the ice cream,
Yes.
all the burgers, hot dogs, everything. Yes. 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 Do you mind if I take photos of you?
You're gonna make him blush. Yay!
Thank you, Goofy. Do you mind if I take a close-up of you?
A close-up photo?
Yes, a close-up. I have to
Oh
take a
gosh.
Yes. Thank you so much, Goofy. Wait, do you have anything on your back? Does it say Goofin on the back? No, nothing.
I loved your Goofin shirt.
Yes,
I love that.
Cute. It was very cute.
I saw you on the car going back to the ship and it said Goofin and I loved it.
Yes.
Maybe next time.
Well,
Thank you. Bye-bye.